Now let's see how we can enroll a device using MDM only enrollment method. So now right now I'm on my client PC machine. I am going to connect. I'm going to go to connect access work and school, and then we have an option called connect, but I'm not going to connect here. Instead of that, I'm going to use enroll only in device management. I'm going to click on this option. Now it's asking me for my uh, username. I'm using the same username BYOD which I created few minutes back. At the rate, sorry, at the rate Intune demo lab pro soft, to click next, and it's now connecting to the services. Hold on, we are registering the device with the company and apply policy. Okay, now is saying that it will take some time, and okay, that's okay. Now we can see that in case of bring your own devices, uh, I'm not getting this briefcase option. Okay, but in case of MDM only enrollment method, I'm getting a briefcase option because this machine is enrolled in Intune. Okay, I can again initiate a policies, perform a sync also. Okay, and then okay, let's check some of the things like under command prompt. Again, the ds reg cmd /status. Okay, we'll see that what we are going to see here is machine is not Azure ready, domain join, that we know that. Machine is also not a workplace join because this is only MDM enrolled. I only enroll in MDM. Okay, okay, what else? Okay, this machine. Okay, that's okay. Now let's check under MMC whether we have a certificate or not. Open MMC again. I'm going to add user, as well as I'm going to add computer, and then finish. Okay, let me see. Under personal, I don't have anything. Under computers, I don't have anything. Let's see under CA. I'm again getting some certificate under CA. Microsoft Intune MDM device CA certificate issued by Microsoft Intune root CA. Okay, and then okay, now I have a certificate. That's okay. Now let's check in Intune portal. Okay, it might take some time to uh, replicate and then shows need to. Okay, let me, meanwhile I'm going to click on sync option so that I can enforce the synchronization. Now portal.azure.com, I'm going to open a portal.azure.com. We'll see that whether what's the status of that machine in Azure. Okay, let's check under Azure Active Directory devices. Okay, my device name is okay, all devices. I don't have any as of now. I think nothing is there. Okay, let's wait for time. Give some more minutes and then should populate some time. Okay, it might take some time to populate in Intune portal. Meanwhile, I'm going to initiate the sync again. Okay, meanwhile I'm going to show you what is under device diagnostic report. I'm going to create it and it's going to save the report under user public document and MDM diagnostic. Okay, then I'm going to go to this location, users, and then public, and then documents MDM. Okay, I'm going to open it with the Internet Explorer, and let's see that. Okay, so it's going to give me at least some idea. Okay, what is my machine name, my machine edition, what is my OS version, and then okay, then this is what is my company name, last sync. Okay, this is management server URL. Okay, OMRDM protocol version. This is my enterprise device management ID. Okay, okay, and certificate, I don't have any certificate. Okay, this one is enroll configuration source, so this is useful when you are deploying the policies, and who is going to configure what kind of scenario. These are the managed policies. Okay, we have a default value and then current value. Default value meaning whatever is default on the device, and then if we are deploying something from Intune, then what is the current value, and then here it will show who is configuring this value and what is the value they are going to configure it. Okay, uh, okay, let's see one thing here. Okay, MDM, okay, MDM full. Okay, let's see if machine is populating here. Okay, it's taking time now. Okay, loading again. Let's see if anything is here or not. Yeah, I have one machine here, same machine. Let's see what is saying. Okay, it's saying the registered no. Okay, the column, I have all columns. Okay, now it's saying this machine is MDM enrolled, but registered as already registered is NA. That's okay. Now I have a machine here also in my Intune admin center portal, and then I can run some commands. I can show you what is the device Intune device ID, what is the Azure device ID. Okay, and if I can go here, I can click here, I can show you that what is my Azure device ID under property, and then this is my Azure device ID, and this Azure ID device ID associated with my this Intune ID, and then you can generate some reports. Okay, that's okay. So I think that's all I want to show you with respect to MDM only enrollment.